Good morning, everyone. My name is Jonas Lanis, and I welcome you to TFLOW Market Monitor, our special broadcast for analyzing the market for 10 cryptocurrencies with the use of the TFLOW Trading Engine. TFLOW Trading Engine is our trading view strategy script, which we use and we customize for each one of our cryptocurrencies in order to be able to do a portfolio management and analyze where to go long and where to go short. So you can find more details on www.tflow.ai, where you can go through our site and our services. And the one that particularly will interest you is, of course, the trading engine. The trading engine, as I told you, is our strategy script in TradingView. Here you can see whatever you need as for information in order to use our script, and the way to gain access is to purchase these free access packages by using crypto, either it's stablecoin or whatever crypto there is. Our eShop converts it to TFLOW tokens, and so you can purchase this TradingView script with the use of TFLOW tokens, and by this way we give value to our TFLOW token, which is available on the Binance Smart Chain, and you can find it also on CoinMarketCap. So let's start our analysis for today. What a pleasant day it is today. We see Bitcoin over 30,000 at last. 7 days performance is at 20%, and 24 hours is 5.45, while Ethereum is above 900, and we see that it reached 932. With a rise the last 7 days 16%, and for the last 24 hours 5.86%. Bitcoin is leading things, and the total market cap is at 1,186 billion. We have 186 billion come back to the market, while the volume is at last at 60 billion, well above 50 billion, which is our measurement for a healthy market. Bitcoin dominance is at 49.6%, and as I told you in previous market monitors, I told you that we have a Bitcoin month and we have a high Bitcoin dominance. That meant that people are going to stand behind Bitcoin and charge to the bull run behind Bitcoin. So let's see which coin is rising most in the last 24 hours. We see Pepe that 39.15% and Bitcoin Cash 24%. Let's take a look on our TFLOW cryptocurrency here. You can also find TFLOW. It's at 12 cents, rising 0.73% for the last day, 0.05 now, at 12 cents, where it started at the pre-sale price of 0.05. So let's go to alt season. Alt season, as I told you, top performance of the month is STX, Bitcoin Cash, and Bitcoin. Bitcoin among the three top performers, which is quite impressive. And as I told you here, you can see the chart, we have Bitcoin month. Last, what we have to mention that the Fear and Greed Index is at 65. That means that people are happy and will stand behind Bitcoin, as I told you. You can always find us in TradingView. TFLOW blockchain is our username, where you can find our page, our trading ideas, and here you gain access to the trading engine automatically through our site, of course. Here you can find links to our other social media channels. So let's start our analysis for today. Bitcoin, what a wonderful long signal here. We had at 26,000, and we are winning right now at Bitcoin 15%, almost 15%, and there is no sign that this is going to stop. We have the last 10 hours a little bit less volume, but in order to see what is going to happen, we have to go to other time frames. So let's initially start with the daily chart. As you can see, the daily chart is rising, and here we will look for the MACD. You see the MACD is surprisingly strong, going above zero level here, which means that we don't have cope on this move. We'll still see Bitcoin rising. In order to see that, let's zoom in and see the volume profile, what's going to tell us. The volume profile is going to tell us that on the daily chart, we are well above any resistance. Here we go for price exploration in the next hours. Let's go to the weekly chart to see what is going on here. Again, we're going to narrow down this chart, bring it more closely here. As you can see here, we don't have anything to keep us. Next resistance is at 38,000. You can see that all this downtrend stopped here at the 1st of January, and from 1st of January, actually, we had an uptrend. You see, uptrend move, and this is actually a higher low and a bull flag, as I mentioned to you in previous reports, and we see Bitcoin going up, and it will still go up. As I told you, 38,000 is a target for Bitcoin. Let's go to smaller time frames to see what's going on. We analyze the 4-hour chart, but let's go to the 1-hour chart to see what is going on here. As you can see here, we don't have any correction on the rise yet. We see the MACD here is well above zero, but it has not broke to the downside. We are still at the top of the channel. That means that we still have way to go. Only when we see a take profit here or a sell signal are we going to stop our long move. So let's leave Bitcoin, go back to the 4-hour chart, and next stop is Ethereum. Ethereum, we got this long signal a little bit later than Bitcoin at $1,780, but the move is still open, and we have a profit of 7.61%. The MACD, as you can see, it's going up. We have 1, 5, 10, 15, 20 hours of green volume. Of course, we're going to have a correction later on, but let's see the daily chart to see what is going on here. So as you can see here, again, in June, we had this reversal and to the uprise, and as you can see here, Ethereum just went above any serious resistance that it may have here at this level, at the volume profile. So we're well above, we're out of the forest, out of the woods, and we are going for 2000 again for Ethereum. This is a target for this move, as you can see here on the daily chart. Now the MACD is going to go well above zero, and so we can see a next move for Ethereum. This is very good, and we go to the weekly chart to see again what is going on. Ignore these signals because they are not set up for the weekly chart. We have our trading engine set up for the 5-hour chart for Ethereum. So we want just to analyze the market here. As you can see at the weekly chart, we have a reversal, and we're going to have a re-entry to the long for a long position, and we are just above, as you can see here, this resistance, and next stop is 2,500 for Ethereum. If the volume goes on, then we are in a very good position back to 5-hour, as I told you here, and as you can see, we are going well above the resistance level, and we are going for 2,000 for Ethereum. That's it. Let's take a look to the other coins in the portfolio. BNB is on a long position right now, and we are winning 2.71%. Not a lot of moves for BNB, not a lot of volume. As I told you, all people are behind Bitcoin and some of them behind Ethereum. The volume is there, and there is not enough volume to any altcoin. Let's go to XRP. XRP is much better. It's profiting right now 5%, but it still haven't surpassed these resistance levels. Let's go to Atom. Atom is above the resistance levels, and it's right now profiting at 7%. Let's go to MATIC. Of course, all this information is available in our Telegram channel. Don't forget to join us on Telegram. Its cryptocurrency has its own Telegram channel. So as you can see here, Atom is breaking above the 50 SMMA, and it's well above any resistance. This will act now as support. So we're going on a higher low, and then we're going further up for now at the small time frame charts. Dogecoin at last is out of this consolidation channel and is shaping a U-cap here. Doge is at 8.27% profit, and it's trying to move up. Let's go to Phantom. We are analyzing Phantom at the 3-hour chart, Ethereum at the 5-hour chart, and Phantom at the 3-hour chart are the main differences from all other coins in the portfolio, which we analyze with our chart. So Phantom is right now at 14% profit. We gave a long signal here at 0.26 cents. Very good profit for Phantom, as you can see here. So back to VET. VET is going very well at the 4-hour chart, as you can see here, and we have the target here of 0.019 actually is the next target for VET, and we have to see volume. There isn't any volume there, but nevertheless, we have 12% profit from this long signal that we had here. Excellent profits, and we are even profiting from Solana after this great short. Now we have a great long, and we are profiting 7% in Solana. So 10 out of 10 for our crypto analysis. I hope that you enjoy watching this Market Monitor show, and I'll be back with you tomorrow to close the week. Thank you very much all for watching. See you tomorrow.